Today I'm going to show you all the best tools for Polymarket that will help you get an additional edge in the market. There are so many massive opportunities on Polymarket these days, and if you know which tools to utilize to get additional insights, to see exactly what whales and insiders are doing to get the fastest executions, you can make so much money. So with that said, let's dive straight into it with the first tool, which is called HashDive. This is a platform designed to provide advanced Polymarket and kalshi analytics with a special focus on smart scores. And this is what their platform looks like. So this platform gives you so much information on all sorts of markets as well as different smart money wallets. So on the home screen, you have all of the most popular markets sorted by volume, but you can also sort by other things. You can select your time windows. Right now it's on the past 24 hours. You can see the amount of trades, volume, buyers, sellers, whale buys, whale sells on each market. And if you click into one of these markets, you will get so much additional information. So you have market certainty. If you scroll down, you can see all of the biggest yes holders, but also no holders. So these are all of the wallets with the biggest positions that are voting yes and the biggest positions voting no, their P&L, their supply, entry price, everything you need to basically get a lot of insights. And you can actually see all 7,500 holders sorted by their position size. And then you can literally click onto any of these wallets and it takes you to their user profile. You can save it as favorite. Here you basically have their P&L over time, total P&L. You have all of their previous positions, finished bets, and so much more valuable information. You also have smart scores, you have whale positions, insiders. This is basically the platform with the most advanced insights and analysis on these different markets and on any specific wallet. So I will leave the link to all of these platforms down below so you can check them out for yourself. But HashDive is the first one and it's definitely worth playing around on because if you use it correctly, it can be super valuable. Now the next tool is the best copy trading bot for Polymarket. I did recently do a complete speed comparison test for different copy trading bots and Polycop came out on top. I did also use Polycop for my previous copy trading challenge video where I put $1,000 to the test for 7 days straight on Polycop, seeing how much money I made or lost. So make sure to check that video out if you want. But this is basically the biggest and most popular copy trading bot for Polymarket and also the quickest one. So if you, for example, find a really good wallet using, for example, HashDive, which I showed you earlier, and you want to copy this wallet, you can use a bot like Polycop. So again, the link will be down below. You can also get 10% less fees on Polycop with that link. But once you sign up, this is essentially what it looks like. You just fund your wallet. You can also trade normally with Polycop, limit orders, etc. on different markets. I am mostly intrigued by their copy trading feature. So this is what it looks like when you want to set up a copy trading task. So you just paste in the target wallet, you create a tag or a name for this task. You can decide your copy percentage, how much you want to copy for in comparison to your target wallet. I have gone more into detail into exactly how to set it up and find the best wallet in some of my previous videos, like that speed test video and the challenge video, so you can check that out if you want. But if you are looking for the best copy trading tool, then Polycop is the way to go. And next up on the list is a Polymarket trading terminal. It's basically just a trading terminal for Polymarket trading. So instead of trading directly on the Polymarket platform, you can get a much better and quicker and more intuitive user experience using a platform like TradeFox. So here you can go into any sort of prediction markets. You have your bets on the right hand side. You choose your position size. You have the order book or the liquidity for both sides. If we go into lighting, you can see all of the positions. You can sort it by volume, probability, liquidity. You have all sorts of filters you can put on to make sure you only see the markets you're interested in. You have quick buys, so you can super easily and quickly get in and out of trades. They also have sports mode where you can super easily bet on any sort of sports. They do also have integrated copy trading. So here you can follow traders. You can also find new traders to copy. You can click onto them to see their P&L and their profile, current positions, etc. If you want to copy them, just click here, copy all trades, decide the sizing of your copy trades. You can mirror them, you can do proportional or manual, and then you also have your portfolio. So this is a great trading terminal to use. It's a lot better if you're an active Polymarket trader than trading directly on Polymarket. If you do want to try out TradeFox, again, the links to all of these tools will be down below, and you also get less fees and extra cashback with that link. Now, next up, we have PolySights, which is a great website for finding insiders. Insiders typically don't leave a large paper trail. Use this tool to track significant trades from rookie wallets. So they update this all the time. Right now they have 3,600 cards that you can analyze. So you see specific wallets that are doing huge sizes or just unusual trades, meaning they are more likely to be insiders. So you can see their exact trade. So this was the trade he did. You can see his sizes, etc. Just click on the next one to see what he did. Next one, next one, next one. Or you can go to table view, basically see all of the trades right here. Price, entry, volume. And from here, you can click on to all of these profiles, and that will take you straight over to their Polymarket profile. So this is just another great platform for additional insights. And last but not least, we have PolySpy. Get notifications about new markets on Polymarket. So this is what that looks like. It notifies you whenever a new market launches that you are interested in. So as you can see, I get notified all the time, and this can be super powerful because new markets tend to have smaller order books and lower liquidity, and often you might be able to get a really good entry. The pricing might be off, you might be able to get a decent arbitrage on some of these brand new markets. So if you get in early to some of these markets, you might get a great price. And the way this works is that when you sign up, you basically just choose the categories that you're interested in and that you want to get notified about. For example, in crypto, I have all of these enabled. In finance, I only have some enabled, like Fed rate markets and economy markets. In politics, I only have Trump enabled. And you can basically choose whatever you want to get notified about. So this can be another super powerful tool. And those are basically all the tools that I personally use the most for Polymarket trading that I think can help you out a lot. Do let me know what you think of these tools down below. If there are any other tools that you think I missed that I should check out, let me know in the comment section. Again, I will leave the links to all of these tools down below so you can try them out for yourself. If you found any value in the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.